Good morning, I'm Alessia. We're connected to introduce a multimath project. It's called Multimaths and Multicultural because we use Skype and because this project is done together with a Spanish school.
Hi, I'm Nicole. We worked together with two math teachers, Albertini and Iori, and English teacher, Aldrovandi. Now a student will introduce himself.
Avanti.
Hello, I'm Asia. In my free time I listen to music and I like horse riding.
My name is Minata, I like pizza.
Hi, I'm Matteo. In my free time I play football and I like pizza.
Hi, I'm Roberto. In my free time I play football and I like music.
My name is Filippo Bonazzi. In my free time I play football.
Hi, my name is Isaac. I like listening to music.
I'm Luigi. In my free time I play basketball and I listen to music.
I'm Nicole Colari. My favorite music is house. Hi, my name is Antonio. In my free time I play football.
Hi, I'm Giulio and I'm a director of project.
Hi, my name is Alcamo. I like playing football.
Hi, I'm Mirko. We live in a small town called Sant'Ilario. Sant'Ilario is between Parma and Reggio Emilia in the north of Italy. We live in a plain bordered the mountains Apennine. In Italy, primary school lasts 5 years from 6 to 11 years old. The secondary junior school lasts 3 years from 11 to 14 years old, and the secondary high school lasts 5 years until 19 years old. When you go finish school, you can go to university.
Hello, I'm Giorgia. In our school there are 12 classes and its name is Leonardo da Vinci. The school has a lot of laboratories, for example music, art, computers and so on. The school also has a playground and a gym. We sometimes have a break time in the playground. The school is very big outside and
It's Pietro and I have broken my foot at rugby.
As you can see, the foot.
I'm Lorenzo. The historical introduction. The aim of our project is to find an indirect measurement of the height of any vertical object. We want to measure the height of the pole of the volleyball net and the vertical edge of the gym. In ancient time it was difficult to measure height directly. Calete, an ancient Greek mathematician, observed that the sun's rays created the shadow of building and assumed that he could measure this shadow. So he measured the height of the pyramid of Cheops, the tomb of the pharaoh. The sun is a light source far away from us, and we can therefore. The sun is a light source far away from us, and we can therefore say that the sun's rays are parallel. Then they will raise the Earth's surface with the same inclination and the same angle. We know that the parallel line cut from by horizontal line and form the same angle called corresponding angle. If we draw the pole AC with its shadow and we join the extremities, we form a right triangle. This triangle is similar to one formed by joining another object, C first, and its shadow.
The instrument we use as a reference is called a gnomon. This name is derived from the Greek word gnomon, which means enquadrement. The gnomon made by a stick with a vertical support on the base and a sphere at the top of the instrument. The gnomon must be perpendicular on the ground. We check the vertical position of the gnomon with the lead wire using adjustable screws on the base of the instrument. The gnomon must be placed. The gnomon is placed near the pole with it we want to determine. The surface on which the shadow will be projected must be horizontal. We then observe the shadow cast on the ground, and we place the paper at the end of the shadow to draw the corresponding scene. We measure the length of the shadow with a tape measure.
What is
this kind of measurement, we need that the weather is good. But in the north of Italy, there is usually snow and rain in winter and spring. But today it's sunny. But we have also other problem. In fact, the sun isn't the point source, so the shaded cast haven't clear of cloud. The width of the strip of twilight is greater if the distance from the plane of the object is greater. The shadow of a stick vertically projected on a horizontal plane has a very clear outline near the base and became increasingly blurred toward the end, where twilight reaches its maximum width. The precision of the measurement will be greater if the height of the gnomon is greater, but in this case the edges will be less clear and so more difficult to be measured. For this reason, we put on the top of the gnomon a sphere, which we project an elliptical shadow from which we can derive the center.
Similitude has a specific meaning in maths. Similitude is a geometric transformation which gives the object shape without any other modification, even if the position, orientation and size change. Indeed, two similar objects have the same shape. Both squares or circles of different sizes are always similar. Triangle are always similar.
If we join the extremities of the heights and the shadows of our triangles, we form two similar triangles. There are three mathematical laws to know if two triangles are similar. The first law of similarity states that two triangles are similar if they have identical corners. In our case, A is equal to B first because there is two right triangles. B first is equal to B because some rays are parallel, and C is equal to C first. To know C and C first, we need to do the difference between 180 and the sum of other two corners, B and A. Two triangles are called similar if the angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in proportion. Identify corresponding sides, it's easy. In fact, opposite sides to the equal angles are homologous. In our case, A is equal to A first, B is equal to B first, and C is equal to C first. So we can say that our triangles are similar.
We know that the length of the shadow of an object varies during the day. The more the sun is up, shorter is the shadow and vice versa. The shadows are long in the morning. They are minimum length when the sun comes, then they stay cheaper. And this fact is caused by the different inclinations sun's rays in different hours, caused by Earth's rotation around its axis. Shadows are different. Shadows are different when measured in different months. This fact is due to the different inclination. Sun's rays in different seasons, caused by motion of revolution of the Earth around the sun.
We have measured the shadow of the pole, the gym, and the gnomon at different hours of the day and different moments of the year, and we have collect our data in a table. We have noted that the shadow measured in March are shorter than the shadow measured in January and February, and we have also noted that the shadow changed during the day. In fact, the shadow measured at 20 past 10 is longer than the shadow measured at 20 past 12 because the sun is higher and the sun ray form a shorter angle when it's moving.
Between similar triangles we can apply a law of proportionality between the sides. The proportion is pole height normal height is 2 pole height as normal shadow is 2 pole shadow. The unknown is pole height to be determined through calculation. We find the pole height is normal height multiplied by pole shadow divided by normal shadow. In this way we have determined the height of the pole height. Here the definition of the pole height, and it is 2.38. We have to pull.
We ask.
We have the download of the gym height, and it is 8.95 to 9. You can say that our indirect method to measure the vertical.
Speak at the camera. We can say.
We can say that our indirect method to measure the height of the vertical object is precise and reproducible. We thanks a lot for this work, the teacher Iori, the teacher Albertini, the teacher Aldrovandi, the school office, the